Have you ever wondered about the biggest news you could ever receive? Something so huge it changes everything. Today we're diving deep into Sūrah an-Nabaʿ, the great news, the 78th chapter of the Quran. This surah tackles a question that people have asked for centuries. What happens after we die? Sūrah an-Nabaʿ was revealed in Makka at a time when many people were mocking the idea of resurrection. They'd ask each other, almost jokingly, about what are they asking? About the great news. This great news is the day of judgment, Yawm al-Qiyāmah. But Allah's response is a serious warning. He says, "No, they are going to know. Then no, they are going to know." This isn't a threat, it's a statement of fact. Their doubt will be replaced by certainty, but by then, it will be too late. The first lesson is clear. Mocking the truth doesn't make it any less real. To prove His power to resurrect, Allah then points to the world around us. Think about it. Verses 6 to 16 are a beautiful tour of creation. He asks us to look at the earth, made like a comfortable bed for us. The mountains, which act like pegs, stabilizing the land. He created us in pairs, gave us sleep for rest, the night as a covering, and the day to seek our livelihood. He built the 7 heavens above us, placed the sun as a blazing lamp, and sends down rain to bring forth gardens and grain. The logic is simple and powerful. If Allah can create this entire, complex universe from nothing and sustain it every single day, isn't bringing the dead back to life an easier matter for Him? These signs aren't just poetry. They are proofs of His limitless ability. Then, the surah shifts its focus to the day itself. It describes it as the day of decision, a fixed and appointed time. The imagery is intense. A trumpet will be blown, and people will surge forward in crowds. The sky, which seems so solid, will be flung open like gates. And the mountains, symbols of permanence, will vanish as if they were a mirage. Everything we rely on in this world, everything that seems so stable, will simply collapse. This is the beginning of a new reality. What follows is a stark contrast between two final destinations.